In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Midas Enchant in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you open your inventory at any point, you will see under your equipment the current enchant that you have active. Enchantments are buffs that are going to be active throughout any weapon that you equip on a character. So you will be given the Midas buff upon completing certain objectives. So the effect of the Midas buffs is as follows. First, you will have increased drop rates. You will also have increased chance to do extra damage and also gold gained from enemy death. So essentially, you will be granted various riches and more treasure upon defeating enemies with the Midas enchantment active. So, for you to get this, you will have to be at any level, basically just create a new character, and your main objective is going to be defeating Yartol, the Blazing Dragon. After you defeat Yartol, all that you have to do is go over to this inn or tavern, and in here you will be able to go all the way to the back where you will find this NPC here. Talk to her, and she is going to review herself as Lorisa. She is going to be sitting alone here, and all that you have to do is accept her quest. You will have to sell 250 items and speak to her again, obtaining the enchantment. Keep in mind that you can only obtain this once per character, not slot. She is going to disappear after you obtain the enchant, and you will have to wipe your character if you want to obtain the Midas enchantment again. So keep that in mind if you ever decide to switch enchantments for another one. But basically, this is all you have to do. So defeat Yartol, talk to this NPC Lorisa, and you will be granted the option to sell 250 items to get the Midas enchantment, which boosts the loot that you acquire from fighting mobs randomly. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Midas enchant in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!